In this video, we're going to try to solve the following equation. So we're going to solve sine x is equal to cosine x. But with this restriction, we need only the solutions on this interval 0 pi. We will do this problem on 0 pi, and after that, we're going to do it in minus pi 0. We do it minus pi pi. We do it in 0 to pi. And after that, we can do it the general solution. Okay, but first let's do this one here on this interval 0 pi. One way of solving this one is that we can graph these two functions on the interval 0 pi and see where they intersect. Another way is that we can use the formulas that we know that the cosine of x plus y is cosine x cosine y minus sine x sine y. We can use this one here, and we can solve only one function instead of two. So we can write this sine as some cosine. Okay, so this is one way. Okay, so if we multiply, we have the square root of 2 over 2 cosine x is equal to square root of 2 over 2 sine of x. And here we know the square root of 2 over 2 is just cosine of pi over 4 times cosine of pi over 4 minus. Here I can do sine of pi over 4 sine x is 0. Now using this rule here, I see that I can get now the following. I get the cosine of x plus pi over 4 is equal to 0. Now I can use the unit circle, okay? Or I can use it in my head, but this is, we are trying to explain, that's why we use the unit circle. So the cosine of some angle alpha, okay, is 0, 1, alpha is on these points. Here, let's call this one pi over 2, and this is pi over 2 plus pi, which is 3 pi over 2, or if we go this way, it's minus pi over 2. Okay? So therefore, the cosine is 0 if this alpha, this angle x plus pi over 4, in this case, is equal to this one or minus this one. Okay? So that means that x plus pi over 4 is equal to pi over 2 plus 2k pi, or x plus pi over 4 is either equal to minus pi over 2 plus 2k pi. Okay, but let's use this one here. Okay, now we want to find x. So x is, so here I move pi over 4 to this left side. So I have minus pi over 2 minus pi over 4 plus 2k pi. Here I see that I get only pi over 2 plus 2k pi. Okay, and on this one here, I see that I have minus 3 pi over 4 plus 2k pi. Okay, I think I did a mistake here. So pi over 2 minus pi over 4, I think it's pi over 4, not pi over 2. It's pi over 4. What happened to me? It's pi over 4. So here I have these two solutions. Okay, so I have these two solutions, and I need one more condition to satisfy, which is x has to be in this interval 0 pi. Okay, so I need to get x into this interval. So here, if I have this one here, that means pi over 4 plus 2k pi is between 0 and pi. Now, if I divide everything by pi, I'll get 0, 1/4 plus 2k is between 0 and 1. If I want to simplify, I will have to subtract minus 1/4 2k between 3/4 and minus 1/4. This case means that k is between minus 1/8 and 3/8. K is in Z. Okay, we need to add this condition here. K is in Z. Okay, that means it's a whole number. And which k is in Z such that k is between minus 1/8 and 3/8? The only case that we have is k is 0. Okay, so we treated this condition here. So here, k is 0, that means the solution is pi/4. So I got my first solution, okay? So that means x is pi/4. Now let's check the other one here. So here, this one has to be in this interval, 0 pi. That means minus 3 pi/4 plus 2k pi has to be between pi and 0. If I divide by pi and I add 3/4 pi to both sides, I will have this one. Okay, 7/4. Okay, now if I want to get my k, so k is gonna be between 7/8 and 3/8. Is there a k, a whole number, between 3/8 and 7/8? There is no such number. Therefore, there is no x that would satisfy this condition. So there is no x solution. There is no solution in this interval that can be written in this form. Okay, so the only solution that we have is pi/4. Okay, in this interval, 0 pi. Okay, I hope that you see what I mean here when we say that we can't have this solution. Try and do it. Okay, so this gives us that the only solution for this equation is pi/4. You can graph the two. Okay, if you graph the let me see, this is pi/2. If you graph the two, okay, this is pi/4, you will see that they will intersect at this point between 0 and this is pi/2. Okay, so they will intersect at this point, pi/4. This is the only one in this interval, 0 pi. Thank you.